All right. So real quick, just wanna say this last part about chapter 9, then we move on, right? So what do components of a hypothesis test tell us? The null hypothesis, the HO, specifies the value of a parameter. We assume this specified value is correct unless sample evidence is strong enough to discredit the claim, all right? The alternative hypothesis, H1, tells us that the value of the parameter in question if the sample evidence is sufficient to discredit the null hypothesis. The level of significance alpha is the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is in fact true. The value of alpha is preset and is often 0.01 or like 0.05, for example, right? Sample evidence to test the null hypothesis based on a random sample and computed value, of the sample statistic corresponding to the specified parameter in the null hypothesis. The p-value, right? That's how we do this. The p-value of the sample statistic provides the basis for deciding whether or not to reject the null hypothesis. To compute the p-value of the sample test statistic, we assume that the null hypothesis is true. Then, based on the sample size, the alternative hypothesis H1, the value of the sample statistic, and the sampling distribution, we compute the p-value. The p-value tells us how likely we are to get a sample statistic that is as extreme or more extreme than the test statistic computed from the random sample we already have. If the p-value is less than or equal to the level of significance, alpha, we reject the null hypothesis. You remember that, right? And say that the results are significant. Otherwise, we retain the null hypothesis and say that the evidence was not sufficient to reject the null hypothesis. If the sample evidence tells us not to reject the null hypothesis, we have not proved that the null hypothesis to be true beyond all doubt. We simply do not have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis at the specified level of significance alpha and the computed p-value. Cool, right? So this is talking more about the hypothesis test that we didn't talk about. That's it. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
These alertness just with like two problems per definition. Can we actually like do some real work so that way it can stick and we can be okay throughout the final please?
Sure. Have any markers up here? Nope.
At least 5 problems so that we can actually practice it.
Go ahead. Go do the problem.
No, I mean you.
Yeah. And tell me how to do it.
Okay.
Then you have to add what's up in the middle, divided by 2.
Can we give us like 10, no, 7 minutes, please.
All right.
Does this pertain to what you just heard? You're just throwing stuff out.
So we're going all over the place now. I met a hypothesis example, right?
Are we getting to that?
You have the video.
What we do today is the review. Thank you.
Check that last one. I didn't pick those. Okay.
And then just these two. I think you're good on this one. Then you get to the. Let's see. Did you have the CD?
No.
You had this. Yeah, you was good on those. Okay. If y'all want to do like test review stuff, like y'all still have time. Like y'all could give it in on the day of the final if y'all want.
What?
Like you could give in why am I saying test review? I mean to say the I'm gonna tell you in a minute. Like the test revisions, you can still give it in, like on the day of the final.
Okay, I mean, I just want to get it.
Yeah.
That's
I'm sorry? Nah. Test 3 is like one of them. On Wednesday, right? I'm gonna be doing a study hall at 2 p.m. Right? It's gonna be in not Tuesday, the Wednesday one. Yeah. There is a study hall on Tuesday though. Yeah.
Yeah, Tuesday. Why you be lying now?
Professor,
Yeah. Expires the sample meet. Yeah.
And the PS from a poll.
Yeah. Yeah.
Listen, I'm coming to next week.
X was the sample meet.
Okay, so
N is the
And
mean,
is the
right?
sample mean, right?
It is.
No, I think X bar is the sample mean and N is the mean, right?
Mhm.
and is the mean? Yeah.
Yes.
The meeting.
The mean is all those numbers.
Oh, they're all.
Add them up, divide by
how much?
5.
I'm just looking it up right now. All right. Wednesday the 17th, the day before your final. The 2 p.m. Study hall, that's me. It's gonna be in the library, room 109. All right. If y'all want, y'all could come, right?
What is?
2 p.m. This is Wednesday next week.
That's
Yeah.
study fine.
Yeah. It's me. Tuesday, there's a study hall at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the library room 133. I'm not doing it. I'm just letting you know about it. Yeah. So Wednesday is the North Hall Library, room 109. Yeah. Yeah. But listen, there's a whole bunch of them, right? Like, hold on a second.
Equal 5 is the median,
N equals 5. N is, what is N again?
but I'm stuck at the sample standard deviation.
I got you. I mean, low key, just copy from the formula sheet.
Well, I mean. Okay.
The mean is, not the median.
I mean, median is right, it's in the word.
I mean, I don't really understand the sample standard deviation formula. I did
Okay.
copy it down, but I don't understand it.
Okay, that's fair.
Okay, what's next?
All right. So the median, right? We put them in order, right? And then we just choose the middle number, right? That's it. Questions on the median? We
There
good?
was 2 numbers, we would have to add them and then divide them by 4.
Yeah, some.
If
Some.
there were.
Thank you, Beth.
So the mean, right? How you do mean again? What's the formula for mean?
The mean is add them.
Yeah, sample mean. What is it?
Over that,
So X bar equals
with that E, what is it? What's our
Sigma.
sigma. So the sum of X over
over?
N, right?
6.
Right? So this is the sum of the X's divided by the number of numbers. Right? It is. All you gotta do is just copy.
What is it?
Yeah.
Professor, so there's 2 different symbols for sigma?
There is.
What is sigma here, Professor?
So this is sigma. This is capital sigma. Yeah. Mhm.
Also, the circle that looks like a pear is sigma.
That's lowercase sigma. Yeah. You know how you have like capital A and lowercase a? Yeah. Same thing. Yeah. It's another language, that's why.
The mu is the mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. That's what they use.
This thing done froze on me. Oh Lord. All right, here's what it is. Yeah.
Can you give us like an example
It's coming, don't worry. They're all coming.
did you have them already?
I'm gonna do it now. I'm just being lazy because I know y'all all know how to add. All right. What happened? I can. I just feel lazy. How many numbers are there?
5.
Good. So what's the answer? Okay.
But I got stuck at the sample standard deviation, I couldn't do that one.
Okay. Let's see.
Right.
The formula sheet gives you the formula, but it doesn't really break the formula down, so that's why I keep failing the test.
All you need is a formula. You're good. So what's the sample standard deviation formula?
X take away X bar, parentheses squared over and to the 1.
That's mad complicated.
Find the sample standard.
What's the other one?
P.
Mhm.
X. That's right.
Isn't that the F, that sample standard deviation formula?
Yeah, but
Which
y'all
is-
picking the most complicated stuff ever.
That's what you put in your formula sheet, sir.
Yeah. Where is this thing again? Oh, here it is.
S equals sigma parentheses X
Mm-hmm.
over X bar plus parentheses squared.
So right here.
Yeah, that's what I
That's
just
what
gave
Mhm.
you.
The sample standard deviation, right?
Mhm.
Sample.
So let me copy and paste it. And then figure it out.
You don't know your own formulas?
I do. But y'all not saying it right.
The
Good.
funny E, that's the only thing made sense in them.
Hold up. So start off with your formula. Here it is.
Wait, but I got
Eventually it'll come up. Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
But you could do that in the calculator, Professor. You don't have to do all this stuff.
It's true. You know how to do it.
Can you just
Yeah.
Data.
Mm-hmm. Something like that. Yeah.
Data.
Something like that.
Then go to second, stat, regis, whatever that is.
But the first thing you need though, right? You got to make your table. So you write down all your X's, right? So that's the 12.5, the 15.7, the 2 column, yeah. 18.2, 19.3, 21, right? Then you want to square each one of them, right?
Patient formula came from.
That's the formula. It's the easy one.
But it says sample standard deviation. Look for the
Right.
sample standard deviation.
Which equals S.
Professor, why did you label these X?
That's what they are. Their inputs is X, yeah.
Right, 1734 squared.
17.
You gotta square those?
We could, but that's a lot of work. If you want to do it that way, go ahead.
You gotta
Yeah,
square those.
yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it this way, but if you want to do it that way, go ahead.
Like the first one is 156.
Wait,
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
Professor, but what made you wanna do it like that?
It's easy.
Hold on, I have a question. Where in the problem, they say, use the computation formula?
It just said, give me the sample standard deviation, but it didn't tell you how. But you have multiple ways you could do it.
Professor, are you using sample standard deviation with this bar here, or are you using computation formula?
Computation formula.
Professor,
Wait, you got the.
that's for the computation formula, now
Same
you're
thing.
confusing me.
It's the same thing. It's the easier one.
331.
24?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I do here, I just square each one of these. Mhm.
49.
331.24.
Now I gotta cross all
21.
these out.
0 squared is 141.
You could do it the other way too if you want. That's fine. right?
372.41.
And then after you, that's okay. After you do all of these, right? You want to add these together,
Just know, take all the numbers and do it.
right?
Because I just wanna know how you knew to get to the computation formula.
Because they said sample standard deviation. I know that S is equal to sample standard deviation.
Equal. Listen, to me,
Mhm.
sample standard deviation is a formula, when it says to do that.
But that one's more complicated.
The
But if you-
computation formula?
No, the other one.
The other one, that's why
Yeah.
you use it.
This one's way easier, right? Watch this.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Sample standard deviation is equal to the square root of the sum of x squared, which we know is now 1,547, right? 0.47 minus the sum of x, which is the 86.7
That's 0.47.
squared. Yeah. Divided by how many numbers we have? 5. All divided by 5 minus 1. Little calculator, boom, 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 and you're done.
Can you go
Mhm.
Hold on, wait. Yeah.
Something as little like that would make you fail the test, because.
What is that slash five? I'm so sorry.
That's your n. That's how many numbers you have.
Divided over 5, right?
Professor, when you put in a test that you want the sample standard deviation, to look at the computation formula on this formula.
So do the other one. As long as we get the same answer at the end of the day, that's
Teach us the right
Yeah.
one. I didn't want to teach
This-
it to myself.
this is the right one. This is the right one. Because it's the easier one.
All right, now with the calculator, I know I have to use that.
So if I was typing this in the calculator, I like to just type it in straight, right? First thing you start off, second square root. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, second square root.
Second square root.
Mhm. Then you do the fraction button, which is that button right above the number 7. All right. I'll do it again for you. All right. Uh-huh. No, just the button right above the 7, right? After that, just type in what you have here, 1547.47 minus, right? This one you could just kind of put in parentheses, and then you do the 86.7 close parentheses. Then you want to raise that to the second power. Then you got to get out of that and then divide this by 5. Then you go down, divide that by 5 minus 1.
Easy part.
Mhm.
I'm not getting,
Yeah.
Second, why? No.
No, second square root,
then you press the box.
Square root,
square root.
right, so then you do, the part is I got lost.
Then you do alpha F1.
Go here, divided by 5, then you do alphas. I do like the fraction of it.
So before you do all of that, alpha F1. That's how you get the fraction.
From what word?
Okay, you pick number 4,
Can't tell you where it's from. Number 1.
number 1,
Yeah.
oh yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
So, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You gotta press second, everything on this calculator.
That's
And the
true.
computation formula is what we just did here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, the little chart table.
All right, let's do this one more time. This is for you. Say you don't have the fraction button.
So this answer is 1.66004518.
I got 3.32009036. Mhm. Let's see. Oh, you see, my radical is over the entire thing. Yours is just over the numerator. Yeah. So what you
We gotta
do,
do
second
radical
square root,
first.
then do alpha F1
Then add
inside.
alpha F1.
Right. You see how it's inside? Yeah, then you do everything. Yeah.
How do you get this?
Inside
What
the
is
bracket.
that slash? That's division.
Divide.
Fight this math, you know?
And 5. Okay. God.
Mm-hmm.
Professor,
Mm-hmm.
are you gonna upload the video tonight?
Hopefully tonight. I have a lot to upload. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like 3 soon.
I'm like 3 days behind on my email, but I'm gonna catch up tonight though. I got you. I'm gonna catch up tonight. Today's the last day. All right, real quick. Let's do this one more time. Like if you don't have the fraction button. All right. No. See? Yeah. So, yeah. But listen. Wait, listen. This is for your calculator now. All right. To type this in, you do second square root. Right. Then what you want to do? Wait, hold on.
Professor, whenever they add to the sample standard deviation, you
Mm-hmm.
do this one.
Right.
With this part. Sample standard, so then the sample.
Yeah.
What's the other one, sample population?
Standard deviation. Standard deviation.
And if you want that thing sample population.
So I'm gonna put an X on it.
Yeah.
So,
That's fine.
you're
Yeah.
lying.
Go ahead. You could do it. All right. Let me show you. Let me show you now. Right. So if you don't have the fraction button, this is how you would do this. So you press second square root, right? And then now you want to open parentheses for the numerator, right? Then you do 1547 point, because this is if you don't have the fraction button. Now, your calculator has it, but there's some people who don't have it, right? Yeah, that's what I got. See? Yeah. Yeah. 50, no, 32. 32. Yeah.
But I did
Yeah.
the steps right? I just was a little off with the numbers.
This minus.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
I did it right, right?
That. Then you squared this, right?
Yes, I squared all of it.
Okay, then you added it all
Then I
together.
added it all. Then
Yeah.
I did the end takeaway 1, and then I did the division, and that was it.
Yeah,
And
you
then I
squared
squared
it,
it.
yeah. So what happened was you might have rounded some of this off.
I did.
That's why it's different.
Because the calculator rounds it for you. Sometimes,
Right.
not always.
Right.
It's not always the case.
So in this case, when you're doing this, don't round it. Add everything together.
But I did every step correct.
Yeah.
So I now have the sample standard deviation down.
Yep. That's it. You're good. Yeah. So now,
I still live in my.
Mhm. Nice.
He graduated like 2 years ago.
Nice.
Uh,
So look, minus this, right? Now you want to do 2 parentheses, right? So this is going to be the 86.7, right? Then you want to raise that to the second power, right? Then you're going to close parentheses on that, right? And then actually,
when we get that
hold on.
answer, we could just to the second power.
Hold on 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, I made a
saying
mistake.
The next step,
Okay.
once you bring the 3.32, what's that?
Natalie,
Uh-huh.
you got that expensive calculator.
You don't need to worry about
Yeah.
Divided by 5.
it.
So now look, the next thing you want to do, you want to close parentheses, right? Then you want to hit the divide again. Then you want to open parentheses. Then you want to do the 5 minus 1. Close parentheses, and then that's it.
That's how you.
Yeah. Mhm.
One more problem, please. Like on our own.
We don't got time. I got a lot more to do. All right, if I finish this, then yeah, we'll do another. All right. So any questions on this? We good? All right, cool. Let's look at question 2. That's how I do it. I don't remember when to use it at all. Whatever the problem tells me to go, I do. It always will say, promise. That test is so easy. OMG.
Diabolical. Your work is diabolical, your homework is diabolical, your quizzes are diabolical.
Don't get me.
Think so?
I just got out after ChatGPT, they get it wrong.
Exactly. You know it's real.
ChatGPT sucks.
Even Copilot, you ask
Yeah.
Copilot.
Copilot's chill. Hold on. Wait. Copilot is chill. Hey.
No, even Copilot can't solve your work.
Wait. Copilot is chill.
He just started on do it and then I just figure it out.
I mean, yo, keep it 100 with you. That's all Copilot. Mhm.
You know what? They don't take a picture.
Yeah.
They have to go lit, and they will go miss the parent number and like.
How I do this question?
Wait.
I think you know they
Hi. Thank you.
I think I would do this. What are you gonna
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know which one.
But that's the key.
But what's the key word there?
Probability, what is the probability randomly selected?
No.
Oh.
It's a little it's a little word.
Um,
Wait,
and
yeah.
If I don't get this stuff on my hand and on.
so that's automatically multiplication, right? That's automatically the
That's
multiplication.
one that hate the most.
Right?
So,
So which two are you multiplying?
alright, so you said always use the general multiplication rule, right?
45 and 30.
Your given is 55. That has to be in your formula, because that is your given. So, given that an attendee is a teacher, 55% are females. This is confusing, you always trick us.
So which two numbers you multiplying?
Alright, wait. Give us a
Wouldn't
second.
it be?
Put it on the 30 and the 55?
0.45
Yes.
times 0.30.
Why
So the
45?
keywords here are teacher
I
and.
don't know, they told me to turn it into a decimal.
No, you're right about that, but why did you choose 45 instead of 50 and 30?
So it's like attendee is both a teacher
Because
and a
it's teacher, yeah, teacher and female. So it would be.
It is not that cold. Come on. Oh yeah.
Okay, so 45% of the attendees are PA.
Mhm. Thank you.
Check to see if it's resident.
And then it's just what is the probability that. Yeah, they don't need to like, then you can both be in the. So what are they, the female, the teacher? And then.
Okay.
Wait, let's do it. Fine,
But you-
try.
But you did it already.
No, I'm doing it now. Cause she told me the right
Oh,
one.
that's 10, okay.
I think, Professor, the other ones out there.
You need to trust yourself a little bit more.
Okay, that was the answer. So you put.
Yeah.
That's it.
You put P, the general multiplication rate. And the general multiplication, everybody else. And it's asking you what the probability that are random, because it's both teacher and it's.
So how you knew, how did you know to use the general multiplication rule? No, because right?
Because when they do, they depend on each other.
They want both.
No, because of right?
Yeah, I just know.
Sorry. So what you do, just copy the formula.
Yeah. A and B. So we
Mhm.
put the form.
Is equal to probability of B given A times the probability of A. Right? So now look, this is the easiest thing you could do right after. Plug in the story.
So.
But you did it already.
God damn it.
Teacher and female, so would it be 30?
Mm.
You
I'm just plugging in. I'm just plugging in the words.
Okay,
And then
Mm.
the,
So teacher and female, right?
yeah. The 45.
I guess. Which one of these has the given in it?
Isn't the given 55%?
Right.
And the 30%?
That's the sentence with the given, right? So what is it?
We have to solve it first.
No. Like, tell me in words. This is the probability of what given what?
The
F given T, the T
No.
given.
F given T. That's it. So female given teacher, right? Right? Now look, whatever comes after your given, go ahead. No, whole nother question. Whole nother question. So look, whatever comes after the given is the one that sits by itself out here. So what comes after my given in this one?
Solo, I don't read, cause I'm not even.
What?
Little.
You are?
Yes.
So look, you see this line right here? That line means given, right?
Oh, it's because you switched it around. They don't say it like that in the formula.
Oh, it don't?
No, it's the other way around.
Oh, my fault, my fault. I see things backwards sometimes. Yeah. No, but look, whatever comes after the given statement, right, is the one that's gonna be by itself out here. So my question to you is in my story here, right? The second line is a story. What comes after the given? No, it's a word I'm looking for. What comes after the given?
Say it.
Given that, and
No.
Sandy is a teacher.
No.
What is the probability?
Like, look right here. What comes after the given?
Teacher.
Teacher. So this is probability of teacher.
Oh, you want the probability of female and.
Yeah. You do the words first, then you plug in the numbers. Right?
Say it. Here.
That's it. Yeah. So look, 55% times 30%. Wow. Yo, come here 1 second. Been holding on to this. There you go. So after this, a little bit of math, we done. Right?
I did it right?
I'm not sure. You did a lot.
Well, yeah, I did a lot because you don't do enough.
I mean, when you were talking earlier, you said the right answer.
Okay, so, right,
I guess. Let me see. I'm blocking the question? I'm okay.
I have to take a picture of it in order to solve it.
Okay.
Look, Professor, you're a great person. It's just that you're the genius and you assume that we're geniuses too. That's the issue here.
I mean, I figure y'all all know how to copy. That's all y'all have to do. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you.
It was good. Everything. Question.
Last question.
This one, no, this one. I need like you. It was a lot of work. You had.
Yeah. Yeah, this one was a few, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
That's good though. That's good. Yeah.
Okay, anyway.
So this is our answer. 55% times 30%.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Oh, I know you thought I got it wrong.
Oh, because I didn't do the math yet. That's why I wasn't sure. Yeah.
So basically, you just have
Mhm.
to add two of those percents and that's it.
No, just multiply them.
Oh,
That's it.
Okay, we got it.
So we good on this question?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm still.
No, let me just, the picture of it.
Okay.
Can you lower?
Okay.
But that's all, but I had to do it right.
Yeah, it's just 6.
You said lower it like this?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, the other way, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you mean like without the words, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So how we do this one?
No, that's.
I will. I will. I will. I have to catch up. I got you. I got you. I got you. How I do this?
A university department.
Yeah, now listen,
What is the probability of that? So basically, we have to do the same formula.
Right?
All right, let me do it.
highlight the keyword, say keyword equals and.
Okay, good.
Okay, so let me take a picture.
What service? Just log into the Wi-Fi. So I heard someone say and earlier. What this one?
No, the new one you gave us.
Yeah, this is
So,
yeah, this is the new one right here. What's the answer? My fault, my fault. Nah, I feel like there's some people that just look at it and know what to do.
This. What do
So yeah, like if y'all got time on Wednesday next week, come through to study hall. I'll be there. All right.
So this is a, this is a, this is called a. This is a dependent event, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's one or the other.
Mm-hmm.
Both.
So what's the answer?
Third, you just gave us the problem.
Yeah, y'all can't tell what it is by looking.
You still give breath.
Professor, I don't even use drugs and your class makes me feel like I'm on fucking crack or something.
Really?
Yeah. Me not in the bad way.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, what do you like about that? Because
So probably this. Why you have to do this today? Yeah, with the movie.
Okay. So same game, right? Copy the formula. start with the formula, right? This is probability of A and B is equal to probability of B given A times probability of A, right? Oh no, we didn't even start yet. Because then now you do the story. This is the probability of let's say app and interview.
I thought PA times PB.
Yeah, it is.
But it's not, because you didn't put it there.
Mm, as long as you got the right answer, I'm happy. Well, then. So technically, this is the probability of my given statement says this is going to be interview given app times what?
Ah,
Very good.
yeah.
And just plug in the numbers. So 20% times 70%, and we're done. All right. It's the exact same thing. You think so?
You
Yeah.
understand my frustration, Mara? Do you understand why I go crazy?
So Professor, what's the purpose of showing us this way, if this way is easy?
Just this. So you understand. All right, let's try a new question.
Wait, I'm still trying to comprehend this.
Really?
20%.
Can I just always change it to a decimal?
Hmm? You could even leave it as a decimal.
We don't have to, yeah, we don't gotta put it to the percentage.
You don't got to.
Okay.
But if you wanted to, you would just multiply the decimal times all the way to your calculator.
Yeah.
In fact, I prefer it if you left it as a decimal, to tell you the truth.
I'm just gonna do that.
Okay, are you giving us another one that's okay?
How I do this?
Okay, don't.
Or, isn't that add?
There's just two rules for or.
I believe so.
And which one is the one that you're gonna use always? It does matter. It does matter.
Okay, so for this one, no matter.
Right.
I can tell you right now, does that mean that?
Yeah. But which one do I always use for every single question?
The general.
Exactly. Exactly. Every single question.
I gotta consider it for these people.
Yeah. Type C, no. I have a USB-C. It works. Does it look like an Apple phone?
Yeah, it is. But the new after
Oh, got you.
yeah, after I think it was the 16.
Yeah.
All the type C.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Now
Yeah.
only
Yeah.
like you grade and you need iPhone. The actual iPhone.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
But the old one don't work with this, right? It's just only yeah.
All of the ones I had in my house.
Yeah, just can't use it. Yeah. The lightning port on the Apple is pretty fire too. Yeah. Yeah.
With
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool. Mhm.
Okay, so. All right, so P equals P.
So we all agree, right? This is gonna be a or question, right? Because of the or in the question, right?
Yeah.
So we start off with the formula. This is probability of A or B
Yeah.
is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B.
What?
Right?
Soccer,
Mm-hmm. This is gonna become probability of soccer or basketball. So this is gonna be what? Probability of soccer plus probability of basketball minus probability of both of them.
What the heck? S O.
soccer and B is basketball.
Funky substitute.
She was about to say, I heard SO.
Oh, that's one B.
All right.
Five, let me write it down.
So what's the probability of soccer?
Right top.
25.
Say it again.
25.
No.
Wait, maybe that's Denver.
35 wait, what?
So the probability of soccer is 35 over.
So 30.
15.
Equals 35.
Now, what's the probability of basketball?
Wait.
25 over.
Isn't this wrong? What do you count?
Mm-hmm.
What do you add 15 to each?
Mm-hmm.
So why does that have?
15, you're right. 15 is included in each member. So that's why I have to subtract it out once. Right? So minus the 15 over the 16. Mhm. That's probably right.
Got it.
Thanks. But Professor, why do you have it like
It's not. Oh, wait, minus 50.
Yeah. I don't know, what's that? 50, call that 60.
34. Go back, don't forget to the words.
So I think it's 45 over 60, something like that.
Yeah.
All right. You say you want to see the words?
Yeah, because you got the 15 from, oh, and 15 members. They vote. Okay,
Mhm.
that's, okay, I'll go down.
Yeah.
Okay, so they draw 60 over 6.
You could just write 45 over 60. I was doing it in my head. That's why I needed to do that extra step. And that's it. Mhm.
Stop.
They're coming.
You don't want to break it down or what?
What do you mean? You mean the question?
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Do you want to just?
Subtract.
Yeah, take a picture. No, just leave it the way this is.
This is the one we always use for or, right?
Always.
Always, no matter
Always.
what.
Always.
It's the one I use, but I just wanna be sure.
And
Okay.
All right, let's take a look at another question. Oh, shoot. Here we go. It's about to be lit right here.
I love it, but I be damn.
Right? Nah. Just leave it. Nah, just leave it. Just leave it.
But.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm good with the 45 over 60.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, and like, that's it. I know somebody has something like that. Like, you just go.
Yo. Y'all ready for this? It's about to be lit right here. All right. Bye. See you. So we about to talk about cars and colors, right? Y'all remember this chart thing? Y'all can just give me the answer. I know it's mad easy. Go ahead. What's the answer for A?
The car is 5.
No, 45.
No, it's 15.
Over.
The car is black.
180. Wouldn't that be
45.
45.
No.
Yeah.
Over 180, yeah.
All right. The car is a truck and red.
Wait,
15 over.
5. Wait, what? 15
over
180. Right.
The car is back 45.
The car is SUV.
Car is an SUV.
Yeah.
I can't see you go down.
You can't see?
What probability is it less than?
30 over 60.
30 over.
No, yeah, 30 over 70, because it says sedan, not the old one.
Yes, 30
I
over
don't know. I can't help it.
So-
I need the rows and stuff. All right. For D, it says, given that a car is blue, what's the probability it's a sedan?
30 over
Oh,
70.
it's 30 over 60, because it's, no, it's 30 over 60. It's 30 over.
It is over 70.
It's.
It's whatever your height is.
It's hard.
It's 60 over 60 over 70. No, if it's a car, it's over 60.
It's the sedan.
So whatever comes after the given, that's your denominator.
It's 30 over 60.
Yes, that's what it is.
30 over 60.
Because there's,
Right.
60 total cars, only 30 of them are sedan.
Oh, shit, I wasn't looking at the
Yeah,
clock.
I was-
Yes, that's that was it. I got it. I got it.
All right.
It's 30 over 60.
How about E? E says, what is the probability of black or a SUV? I got you. Yeah. Yeah.
So that's 40. Or is admin.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's 15 plus 25.
Yeah, so that is, but do you want us to put 0.15 and 0.25? No.
Remind me how I do or again.
Ow.
Wait, go back.
What am I gonna add?
We need to see.
No.
What's the formula for or?
P45.
What's the formula for or?
Addition.
P of
Give it to me.
A plus P of B minus P of B and, oh, no, this is.
I'm good.
One B.
Yes.
P A plus P B minus P A N.
Good.
Yes.
This would be the probability of black plus the probability of SUV minus the probability of black and SUV, right?
So you add back to the chart,
So what's the probability of black?
15.
No.
Oh,
Over.
total.
Over what?
180.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the probability of SUV?
Simplify that. Oh, no, you don't want to simplify, right?
No.
Okay.
60 over 180.
No, what's the probability of SUV?
80 over 180.
The probability of an SUV. Oh, there it is.
It is. Now, what's the probability of black and SUV at the same time?
Would that be
Say
70?
25.
See, look at.
It's 25.
Math.
Good.
That's
Now, for the old ones, all you really have to do is look at it, folks, this one, yeah,
Oh, right, the.
because it's a problem.
Why? It's too easy, right?
No.
And then after that, a little bit of math, like
100 over 180.
this would be 20, 100 over 180. Yeah. Would you believe that this is the most amount of points on your whole final?
This question, the final.
Can I?
Yes. Wait, you all know?
That's true.
It's sad.
I see that picture of
That one is kind of hard. Hold on.
If anything, add another one to make those more points.
I wish.
Yeah.
I wish.
Professor, can you just come down so I could take one more photo?
Hey, there was another one like
Yeah, I need to take one more picture. I need to take a picture.
Oh, like with the words? Okay.
No, let me see the.
No, this.
Scroll a little to the right. Yes, I need that part. Thank you.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what about this one, Professor?
Up or down?
Are you allowed to use our notes for the final?
Only our formula sheet. Wink, wink.
I'm ready to sign.
You didn't hand out sheet.
But we could write whatever we want on our formula sheet, right?
Yes.
It's gonna about to look like the Holy Bible.
It ain't gonna help.
Little bit of another problem.
I said,
Same problem.
Light work. Mhm.
Right.
Mhm. It's easy, right? Which chapter is this?
Here's the chart. This is chapter 2. This is a chapter of my life that I don't really do.
All right,
Yeah.
can you give us a second?
Yes, please, you
Yeah.
can give us 10 seconds for this shit. Come
Y'all
on.
saying everything but the right answer.
I think that you should start off with that. What chapter is this?
Alright, so what chapter is this?
Wait.
No, wait, this is third. Is it not? But this will be the third.
Which-
No, this comes.
What is this
the
one?
identification.
It's your third exam, yeah. So 3 tests and a final.
The back, is that the six, we'll call it the short variation? Oh, the cold.
That is not chapter.
What did the question ask you for?
A certain type of tree
What is this?
has 75.
It's this. It's chapter 5.
I think
Oh, man. Yeah, 75. But it is. Is it the discrete team? Table touch, two continue. I think you're thinking about right, professor? Thank you. Gotta use the table. Stick two and then. You know, what's the program? That's it, check them box. And then there's just something right here. Good. My God.
What did they give you in this though? What letters did they give you in this? What do those numbers mean?
Probably.
So-
Kind of. Not quite.
Yeah, in the school you mean?
Crash.
Yeah. Yeah, they have classes still going on in school. And like in this room? Nah. That's it, yeah. So P, which is given to us, that's 75%. And we have N, which is equal to 15, right? So this is how you know it's a binomial distribution, right? Chapter 6. All right. So we want to know what's the probability of 10.
And thank you for.
You're welcome, man. No problem. That's right. Thanks.
Yeah. Like literally, and I was.
So there's a couple of ways you could do this. You could do this on the table, or y'all can use a formula. Your choice. All right. Let's say we're going to look this up in the table. So say I was going to look this up in the table, right?
Say, okay, look, you gotta.
So you gotta go. And then
It's a binomial distribution, and this is the binomial probability distribution table. So my N we said was 15, right? So this is 2, 3, 4. Let me go down to 15. 15, right? My probability of success we said was 75. Right here. So that's the fifth from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And my R is 10. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 0.165.
Yeah. Number 9.
Mm-hmm.
And 10?
10, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, for 10.
And they're not.
So the 10 is, hold on. The 10 is here for the row, right?
After 8.
And then the 165, right? That's corresponding to the 75% at the top. Right? See up here? 0.75.
So when you see questions like that, you have to break it in.
Mm-hmm. So
It's
it's
0.165,
mhm.
right? 10, and then the 75.
Oh, when they talk about probability. So like, what would they ask about probability, and there's a percentage that you can go to these pages, right?
I'm sorry, can you go?
I gotta try to remember that.
That's it.
So you know P equals 75 because
It was given. It was given.
so this is what you're supposed to know for
Okay,
for
B.
this question.
Right.
Professor,
Mhm.
the way I'm doing it is too complicated. You wanna break down what you did?
So I would look at the question, I realized I was given an N, I was given a P, right? So from that, I went to go to the binomial distribution table, and I was looking for 10, right?
Mhm.
So
The population.
probably a success.
Right,
Mhm.
which I wrote here.
Right, so that's here.
What is the expected number of seasons that would germinate?
Exactly.
Don't you-
The
work on
probability
that
of
real quick.
success will be 0.75, right?
Right,
Okay,
and then your R is 10,
okay, hold on. So
Professor, what would B?
huh?
B.
B, what's B?
What is the expected number of seeds that will germinate?
So do N times P.
N times P,
what you want me to do next?
15
That's
times.
it. The 0.165.
0.1.
Get one,
50.75.
what did you do?
Look it up at the table. Right here, right? So 10.
N times P.
Yeah.
So you go to N15.
I know, here,
Yeah, so these are your N's. Go down to 15.
so
Yeah.
down to
15.
15. Oh, you mean like one and then go down to 5?
Like this is N2, N3, N4, go to 15.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15.
Yeah, 11.25.
Mhm.
And your probability of success is up here. Go to 75.
Oh, right, because it's 75.
And then your R, just give it in the question, is 10.
Yeah.
But this is 0.000.
No, no, go to R10. So look, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. That's what it is.
So you can go back to that formula.
10 and 75, Professor? So 0.092?
For the.
0.165. So go 10 across to 70.
Yes, I went the wrong.
Yeah, and that's it.
Okay, hold on. I just want to write this down.
Okay, go ahead.
So you go to binomial table,
Mhm.
binomial table, and you go to 15. Why are we going to 15, Professor?
Because that's the end. So they gave you the story.
Okay, n equals 15, and you go to 15. N equals 15. Table 2,
Mhm.
and you go to 10.
Because that's what's given in the question. That's what they want to know.
Across
Mhm.
to 75 equals 0.165, correct?
That's it.
Okay. My bad.
So for expected value, right? Your expected value is the mean mu, which is equal to N times P. Yeah, we're there. This is part B now. Just plug it in. Yeah. 15 times 0.75.
So N times P, or did you choose your own formula today?
No, that's it. It's in chapter 6.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Make sure.
Now what's C?
Yeah. 11.25.
Thank you.
Okay, N times P.
Now, for C, they want the standard deviation. It's sigma is equal to the square root of N times P times 1 minus P.
Yeah, that.
All right. Just plug it in. It's in chapter 6.
What's up?
Hold on. Wait, hold on.
15 times 0.75. What did you get for that?
It's 11.25.
Then that's the answer for you, right? Me and you is 11.25.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what else you wanted?
Standard deviation.
Did you choose a different one, or did you choose the
So-
actual one?
No, it's the one in chapter 6.
Then
N
all
times
equal
P
to-
times. Right? Times 1 minus P. Just plug in the numbers and that's it.
Hold on.
So 15 times.
So that's sigma.
Mm-hmm.
Sigma is the sum of all.
Sigma is the population standard deviation.
Right.
All right, I'm confused because, all right. 15 times, 75 times. Well, where's the 25?
So
That's 1 minus P, so 1 minus 0.75.
N times P, parentheses what?
1 minus P.
so why did you pick 25, love?
Because it's one minus P, so you take 0.75, you take one, you do 1 minus 0.75 to get 0.25.
Can you repeat that one more time,
Hold on.
please?
Oops. Just write it like this.
P is
15 times 0.75 times 1 minus 0.75. And hit enter.
And what was your answer?
I didn't do it yet. Hold on.
Professor, this is it,
What do you mean?
like, I have to go, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Baby, I forgot.
1.677.
Why you don't invite your baby to school?
That's really hard, my daughter's
Soup,
I'll be babies in here.
Get extra point.
Why not?
My daughter don't live that next.
Don't be here, I bring my son. To bring your daughter up.
Yeah.
Professor, so that's the first I heard deviation.
I see it. Thank you.
I'll hear them.
Oh, she does.
How all of y'all raise your hand like me?
Yeah, mine is 11.
Mine is 10 and.
No, it's the
Eight is
Oh,
great.
yeah. My baby's 8. Oh, that's cute.
No, it's not easier. It's harder.
It's harder.
It's like, I'm start worrying about worse shit than them putting something in their mouth from the floor.
No, when you think, no, at that point, it's
The
emotionally harder because
Yeah.
it used to be so excited. Now it's like.
Oh.
Now you have to mess up. I feel like.
It's a heavy.
Is it true you don't get hugs no more?
I don't.
It's true you don't get hugs no more?
My son. My daughter cried not speak with me, so she was stirred.
Huh?
I have to put
The answer?
consideration, like, I love.
What you got?
It's not helpful.
I got 1.677.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
0509.
Yeah.
Like, we noticed that, like that, like, high school and shit. I think that's why I'm overly obsessed with my kids, because my mom, I wasn't watched.
Yeah.
What is we see
That's
on her.
true.
Yeah, you know.
I feel like that made me a good parent though.
Yeah.
Like, it's okay,
This one
I
would
made
not
me a
get
good
that.
parent.
Yeah. That's how.
Yeah, I feel like you made me a little too lenient.
Oh, either if I go to bed, my mother would have a.
But that's.
All right, I do have a couple more questions to go over, but let me just do this one last one, and y'all could dip. All right, because the other questions y'all did just did a test on it, so I know y'all know how to do it. Yeah, one last question. There's three more questions that's gonna be on the test, but y'all just took a test on it, so y'all know how to do it.
Oh.
Mhm. The normal distribution, the confidence interval, the hypothesis, all that.
Final exam.
He said the 27.
27.
The December 27th?
Yeah.
And you got me fucking
Yeah,
having mental breakdowns
Yeah.
with that shit.
yeah. It helps you with the final. I don't hate y'all. So this one, right? This is the scatter plot. You guys remember that? Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to draw it. All right? Don't do it yet? Y'all want to try? The dots. Just plot the dots. Yeah.
Going from left to right is negative. When it's going from right to left, it's positive. Am I right? Yeah. So stupid about
You have your X's and you have your Y's, right? And you have to make your bounds, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm good at that. I'm like semi-okay.
You have to choose your bounds accordingly. I chose to go by fives because these are the numbers that I have here, right? I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Yeah.
Now, for my Y, I have to go all the way up to 50. So I'm going to go by tens. I'm going to go by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right?
Yeah.
And then you just want to make the mark where the points are, right? So my first one is 10, 25, right? Exactly, right? So that's like here somewhere.
And 25. Yeah.
And then the next one is 15, 40. So go to 15, go up to 40. No equation. No equation.
To the chart.
Yeah, I got it right now.
Yeah.
Right down, Professor. I can't write it down.
Alright. The next one is going to be 20, 35. Mhm. Mhm.
Hold on, Professor, it's so bright, I can't see it.
It is.
Yeah. 50, I don't have my glasses on. 20, 35,
Mhm.
25, 50, 30.
In the study hall, we'll actually go over all 8 questions.
8 questions.
Mhm.
Should I crash out now or should I crash out Monday?
I'm crashing out
Anyone.
all week.
Anyone.
I,
All of them.
We talk about just.
So 20, 35, 20, and then 35. Somewhere's like here.
hard.
Is it 25, 50,
It looks like this.
and then 30, 45?
So it's like the
Yeah.
sad, right?
So now,
Up, down, up.
first thing you want to do is you want to draw it, right? After you draw it, what would you estimate the correlation coefficient to be? Positive, 0, or negative? So positive, okay. Now interpret it for me
What do you mean?
as,
It's a positive correlation.
right, so as,
It's a positive correlation, but.
right, as X is increasing,
As X is increasing, Y is decreasing.
No, they both.
No.
I can't spell.
As X is increasing, Y is
As X is increasing.
Y is what?
Y is.
increasing.
Increasing.
How many answers do I gotta
What matter that on the test?
Yeah.
Wait, this one.
That's it.
Right.
All of that.
Like none. You know you could get 100. What's
This
this?
should give me my 100 for sure.
Okay.
Corrections on correction,
Corrections on correction?
corrections on correction.
That's for 2 and 3.
Oh, 3, I can't give you a correction.
How you have corrections on
Yeah.
3? It's just handed in today.
Yeah, so that's not test 3, then this is. You
Okay.
just gotta, yeah. You just got the wrong answers on. That got
I mean, give me that Susan. I'll just mark. This helps me with grading.
Don't pay this no mind. Yeah, that's what we're doing, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I know that.
Yeah, we got the code.
So that's that. Mhm. Not today. I don't have the time right now because I have to run to class right now.
So what we doing
Yeah.
next week, we come in when?
If you can come Wednesday, I'll probably have it graded by Wednesday if you want.
Next week,
Yeah,
come Wednesday?
yeah. Not here.
Where?
I'll be in the library in the study hall. 109, I think. Let me see. Can I take this down? Just copy from the question.
To the library, North Walton?